Hi, this is Doug Clayton with Bullseye Marksman Gun Club. Today we're going to take the Smith & Wesson 9mm Shield out on the range for a quick test drive. Provide you with a little bit of information regarding our feeling about the gun, the trigger, how it shoots, and the controls of the firearm. If you have any questions after you've seen the video, please check us on bullseyemarksman.com or call us at 678-965-5504. The Smith & Wesson M&P magazine is easy to load. It does not take too much pressure to load all 8 rounds in the magazine. The magazine loads easily into the gun. The recoil on the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield is fairly light for the size of gun. It has a heavy trigger, but for a carry gun, it's ideal. This gun would do fine for anybody that's used to shooting a small compact frame. The controls on the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield are easily located on the left-hand side of the firearm. The sight picture is easy to see, but the front sight's just a little small. Aftermarket sights might be a better fit for self-defense or a compact firearm. The magazine holds 8 rounds of ammunition, which provide 8 rounds in the magazine and 1 inside the chamber. The M&P Shield is a great handgun for self-defense and carry. I recommend the gun for anyone looking for a small, compact firearm. So that was the 9mm Shield. Stop by Bullseye Marksman Gun Club and try out any one of the 100 guns that we have in the rental cabinet to see which one's right for you. Check us out at bullseyemarksman.com or stop by the store at 6190 Parkway North Drive in Cumming.